Hey designers! Today, we will dive into the world of neumorphism in Figma. I'll guide you through two methods of creating this stylish effect. Let's jump right in. First off, create a canvas and give it that cool off-white look. Add a shape or a circle, ensuring it seamlessly blends with the background color. First, let's create bold projection style. Head to the effects panel and add a drop shadow. Set the X and Y values to 20, blur to 50, color to 75-80% white and opacity to 90%. Follow it up with another drop shadow, -20 on X, -20 on Y, blur at 40, white color and 90% opacity. Add an inner shadow, -1 on X, -1 on Y, blur at 2, color to 75-80% white with 50% opacity. Now, add one last inner shadow with X at 1, Y at 1, blur at 2, white color and 30% opacity. Now, let's see how to create soft submersion. First, add an inner shadow, 15 on X, 15 on Y, blur at 38, 80% white with 90% opacity. Follow it with another inner shadow, X at -15, Y at -15, blur at 30, white color with 90% opacity. Then, inner shadow, X at 15, Y at -15, blur at 30, 80% white with 20% opacity. Finally, inner shadow, X at -15, Y at 15, blur at 30, 80% white with 20% opacity. And there you have it, the wrap-up for our first method. Now let's see the simple and smart way, our second method, a plugin that does most of the heavy lifting for you. This plugin offers options for elevation, intensity, type, and light source. Now, let's get this plugin, go to Resources, Plugin and search Neumorphism. Click on it and run. Select and shape, then Neumorphit. Play with the settings and shapes for your desired outcome. Now, you might be wondering, why did we save the smart way for last? Well, as designers, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals, to get hands-on with the details and truly grasp the essence of what we're creating. Happy designing!